Hello guys, welcome back. In our last video, we stopped at this point. Now what we are going to do is to send the code to the user. So we have successfully tested that the resend functionality is working. So let me just show you. So here is our code. So this is our implementation where we are sending. So we are getting the code that we are going to send to the user email, and we are getting the user email with this variable, and we check to see if the user email is present. If it's not present, we show error message to the user. They also check if the code is present. So, and we check if the code is present. When it's present, we say yes, the code is sent successfully. So at this point, what we are going to do now is to send it to the user email directly. Okay, but this block of code is showing on our browser that 2FA code sent successful. This is what we use to test to see if this action is actually working, and the action is working successfully. That is the reason why we get this. So we can test it again and see. Let's click it, you can see it works successfully. So the next step is to now send the code to the user email. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay guys, so the next step we're going to do, so let's remove this block of code. So first, we're going to write some condition to check if the user email is present and if the code that we are going to send is present before we can trigger the sending of email action. Okay, so let's do that quickly. So we're using this block of code, if statement, to check if it is not empty, the code that we are sending, and the user email is not also empty, then it will not trigger sending of the email. Alright, so now to send the email, we need to get the user email. First parameter we need. The second parameter is the code that we are going to send to the user that the user will see on their email. Alright, so we have two. It's going to be the new user email. That's the email you are sending it to. The email as a subject. Just to make it fast, so let me just grab. So you want to make the video to be short this time. So now say your new authentication code is going to be the code that we are going to send. It's going to be this code, and now I'm going to write some other information here. Please do not share it with anyone. You can see it. So you can also pause the video and watch it, so to understand what we are doing here. So this is the message body that the user could see on their email, and this is the subject. So you can see your new authentication code is this. Okay, right. So the next thing is to now, these are the email message that we are sending. So let's send the email number saying then equals to mail. Yes, so the mail is some parameter, send it to subject and the message body, and the headers. So we can also say as a condition to check if the email was actually sent successfully. We'll do this if then display a success message and your grab this and modify it and we'll put it here. So that's it, guys. So this block is checking if the email is sent. If it's sent, it's going to show success message that the code has been sent. Please check your email. If it's not sent, if there's any problem, it's going to show this error message that there's error occurred when sending the code. So please try again later. Alright, that's it. So you can pause video, watch it, understand what you are doing. Alright. Good. So everything is good. So we are going to test it on our browser. So let's go and test it. Okay, let's check it and see if it's working. So I'm going to click on resend the code and see. Right, the code has been sent. Please check your email. That's it, guys. It's working successfully. So please don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you in the next video.